When the heat of Atlanta's summer hits, the last thing you want is a malfunctioning air conditioner. At Air Willies, we understand the importance of a cool, comfortable home. Our team of certified professionals is dedicated to providing top-notch AC repair services tailored to your needs. Whether it's a minor fix or a major repair, we diagnose the problem quickly and efficiently, ensuring your system runs smoothly. With years of experience in the Atlanta area, we pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Our transparent pricing means no hidden fees, and we offer flexible scheduling to fit your busy life. Don't let the heat get you down. Visit us at www.airwillies.com or call us today to schedule your AC repair service. Air Willies, your trusted partner for AC repair in Atlanta. Stay cool, stay comfortable.